What is going on, everybody? Treasure Coast Magna Fishing and more. We are out here at Barret Jackson today. Get up here, Easton. Don't let people cut you off like that. We're gonna check it out, see what's going on, get some video for you guys. Hope everybody's having a good day. What do you think of the Shelby trucks, big guy? Look at those. Now those are some sweet rides. Let's see what else they have over here. Check this out, guys. The Shelby tent out here at Barret Jackson. And this one on the end is the one they unveiled Thursday. I actually got to be here for that. It's the new 650 Super Snake. Check that bad boy out. Look at this GT 500 KR. Bless you. What a gorgeous car. And look at the white Super Snake. Guys, check out these Cobra replicas. This company Backdraft builds them. They do an amazing job on these things. Unreal. These cars are probably even better than the originals in the 60s. They have so much technology. They're so updated now. But talk about beautiful. Carbon fiber. Look at that. 7.3 liter. What do you think, big guy? What do you think about those Backdraft Cobras? Pretty awesome, right? Talk about some of the coolest movie cars ever. We got the Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am, followed by Eleanor. I think Eleanor would smoke that old Trans Am, but I'm a Ford guy. Oh, two brothers. Check this guy out in line here. This looks just like the car you just got rid of, just a different color. Look at that sweet Porsche. Oh, the Ford GT, guys. Check this thing out. Wow. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Carbon fiber wheels. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Get out, guys. Ford and Dodge have some cars out here. They set up a track so you can actually go for a ride in them. They got some Hellcats, they got some Mustangs, and they are out here just ripping. We're gonna walk you over and get some video. Check out that Challenger, guys. He's getting after it. Slideways, baby. Oh yeah, you hear those things big time. look at that Mustang coming in hot. Dodge guys get after it out here, these Hellcats. Look at that. Woo, coming in hot. Here comes another Mustang. He was hauling the mail. These Dodge guys are having way too much fun out here. I'm actually jealous. Ooh, yeah. Gorgeous. Easton McFly, your car's ready. Check it out. We're about to hit 88 mph and bounce out of this place. Check it out, guys. That is a sweet car. I gotta look through the windshield and see the flex capacitor. Oh, there it is. Making it take a while. Check out the F100, guys. That thing is gorgeous. Another one. Gorgeous, gorgeous. We're gonna give you a different vantage point of these cars coming in hot, guys. Check that old Ford out. That thing is gorgeous. What do you think, Easton? You like it?
Yeah.
They've got so many cool cars out here, guys. It is so much to look at. Look at that Mustang. Look at that old truck. I want them all. Look at that super clean old Ford pickup. Guys, check this thing out. Talk about a sweet custom car, truck. That thing is amazing. Clean. Look how clean that is. It already sold 53,000. Man, that thing is gorgeous. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at that backside on that girl. Woo! Yeah, look what's up in front of it. Got a Lambo. Let's see if we can catch up and get some video. Man, that thing is sweet. Check it out. Look at the Lambo, guys. Awesome cars. That's the OG GT right there. I think it's an 05. Freaking gorgeous. Guys, look at this monster right here. That is one of the craziest trucks I have ever seen. Look at the tires on that. Wow. That thing is wild. Talk about a beast. This thing sold for $120,000. 5-ton Fred, check it out, Easton. 5-ton Fred.
That's cool.
That was my nickname in high school. I'm not a Dodge guy, but look at that thing, guys. Wow. That is one clean old truck. Resto mod, of course. Sounds like a Cummins diesel. That is one bad truck right there. Look at that sweet custom Nova, everybody. Here comes Eleanor. How much, big guy?
160.
160?
I was gonna say 165.
Check out this Bronco. This thing is crazy. Wow. You know what that paint is? It's like truck bed coating. Look at that thing. Yeah. Wow. That thing is sweet. You can go anywhere you want in that Bronco. Check out this old VW truck bus. Man, that thing is cool. I'm not a VW guy, but that is one cool looking van truck. What do you think, big guy? You like it?
Yeah.
Guys, check out this Bronco, the 79. You want to talk about a gorgeous truck. Wow. Look at how clean that thing is. All right, guys, we're going to go inside the AC and check out some of the auction action going on. I'm going to walk through here, show you the cars that are going up on the block. Look at that Lambo race car. That thing is crazy. Followed by a Ford GT. Followed by some old crazy looking convertible. Another Ford GT. Look at all these cars. It's crazy out here. that Mustang out. That thing is sick. Wow. Wow. What do you think of that Mustang, big guy?
It's awesome.
Check this thing out, guys. This is crazy. It's a Hennessy. That is a crazy car right there. Look at that thing in there. It looks like a video game. Check that thing out. That is wild.
Oh, shit.
Go ahead, 190 pound on here. The black and red interior features Dakota style seats and the Ferrari Cavallino stitch in the headrest. Here's the 488 Spider. 90, I had to get down 190, now 85, 90, I had to get down 90, hey, 190 pounds, and I'm going to get all through. Hey, 190 pounds, and hey, 185, 190, 190, how you feeling? 190 pounds, and I'm going to get up 190 pounds, and 190 pounds, and I'm going to get up 190 and a half. Sold for 185.
Check out this original Ford GT from back in the 60s. This thing is insane. Look at that. Look at all these Shelbys. These things are insane. Look at that Daytona coupe. That thing is gorgeous. Check this out, guys. They've even got the Joe Dirt Roadrunner. Check it out. That thing is sweet. Okay, everybody, we wrapped it up out here. We've been out here for 3 or 4 hours. We're tired. We've seen a lot. You had a good time, big guy?
Yep, do it again.
What do you think of all these cars out here?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Especially that Nova.
This is like the biggest car show, and they're all for sale, guys. One more look. All the stuff is getting ready to go inside for the auction. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. We'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.